Most people confuse Walmart gift cards with Walmart Pay, but here's the truth no one tells you. They are not the same system at all, and mixing them up is the reason many users fail at checkout or miss out on faster payments. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between Walmart gift cards and Walmart Pay in 2026, how each one works, and which option is better for your everyday shopping. Let's break it down simply. First, understand the basics. A gift card from Walmart is prepaid money. You load a fixed amount onto it and spend it until the balance reaches zero. It works like cash, just in digital or physical form. Now here's the key difference. Walmart Pay is not a gift card. It is a mobile payment system inside the Walmart app that lets you pay using saved cards, debit, credit, or even gift card balances linked to your account. So think of it like this. Alex uses a gift card like cash in his wallet, but Jake uses Walmart Pay like a smart digital checkout system that pulls money from multiple sources. Now here's where it gets interesting. A Walmart gift card can actually be added into Walmart Pay. That means your prepaid balance becomes part of your mobile payment options. But Walmart Pay itself is not a balance. It is just the tool that processes payments. But here's the problem. Many people assume Walmart Pay gives them money or rewards. It does not. It only makes payments faster and more convenient. Now let's talk about how each one works in real life. With a gift card, you manually enter the card number or scan it at checkout. It is simple, but slightly slower. With Walmart Pay, you scan a QR code at the register using your phone, and the payment is completed instantly through your linked account. Here's where it gets interesting again. Walmart Pay also stores digital receipts automatically. So instead of holding paper receipts, everything is saved inside your app. This is something gift cards alone cannot do. But here's another important difference. Gift cards are limited to the balance loaded on them. Once the balance is gone, you must reload or replace the card. Walmart Pay, however, can pull from multiple payment methods, giving you more flexibility. Jake switched from only using gift cards to Walmart Pay, and immediately noticed faster checkout and fewer payment issues. Now here's a common mistake. People try to use Walmart Pay without adding a payment method first. Or they expect it to work like a gift card. That causes confusion at checkout. So always remember, Walmart Pay is a system, not a wallet balance. Now let's quickly compare both in simple terms. Gift cards are prepaid money you spend directly. Walmart Pay is a digital payment tool that helps you pay faster using saved methods, including gift cards. So which one is better? If you want simplicity and budgeting control, gift cards are great. But if you want speed, convenience, and multiple payment options, Walmart Pay is better. But here's the smart move. Using both together gives you the best experience. You can load your gift card into Walmart Pay and enjoy both prepaid control and fast checkout. So let's quickly summarize. Gift cards are stored value. Walmart Pay is a payment system. One holds money, the other helps you spend it faster. And once you understand this difference, your checkout experience becomes smoother and completely stress-free. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that make everyday tech easy to understand.